Good morning, students. Now we are going to the topic is white blood cells. It is one of the revisions. It is white blood cells image, monocytes, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocytes and neutrophils. Leukocytes, one of the white blood cells. It is colorless blood corpuscle cells. They are capable amoeboid movement. It is its chief function protect body against microbes. Leukocytes, it is formed from the bone marrow. It is myeloid stem cells formed in lymph nodes from lymphoid stem cells. Leukocytes are the units of bodies resistant to microbes. They are classified in two main groups, granular and agranular. It is visible chemical filled cytoplasmic granules that are made visible with staining. So, difference between granular and agranular. Granular cells are basophils, neutrophils, eosinophils, and agranular cells are lymphocytes, monocytes. So, granular leukocytes such as basophils, it is 0 to 5% to 1% in our body. They are 8 into 10 micrometer in size. The nucleus contains two lobes. When stained, large cytoplasmic granules appear deep blue purple color. That is basophil structure. Basophils function liberate heparin, histamine and serotonin in allergic reaction that intensify the overall inflammatory response. Neutrophils, it is 60 to 70% in our body. They are normally 10 to 12 micrometer in size. The nucleus contains 2 to 5 lobes connected by thin strand of chromatin. The cytoplasm is very fine. That is neutrophil, it is 2 to 5 lobes. Neutrophil's function, it is function as phagocyte, destroys bacteria, like as foreign particles, difference and strong oxidation such as superoxide anions, hydrogen peroxide and hydrochloric anion. Eosinophils, it is 2 to 4% in our body. They are 10 to 12 meter in size. Its nucleus has 2 to 3 lobes. Large red orange canals fill the cytoplasm. That is the image of eosinophils. Is dumbbell shape. Function is combat the effect of histamine in allergic reaction. Phagocytosis, antigen antibody complexes destroy certain parasitic worm. So agranular leukocytes such as monocytes, they are 12 to 20 micrometer in diameter, size in kidney shaped structure or horseshoe shaped structure. Cytoplasm is blue-gray and has foamy appearance. Make up 3 to 8% of white blood cells present in our body. That is monocyte. Monocyte function phagocytosis. This occurs after the transform into fixed or wandering macrophages. Lymphocytes, that is divided into three types only, T lymphocyte, B lymphocytes and NK cells such as otherwise called natural killer cells. So leukocytes in the 20 to 20% present in our body. It is small lymphocytes are 6 to 9 micrometer in diameter. Large lymphocytes are 10 to 14 micrometer in diameter. That is nucleus is round or slightly indented. Cytoplasm forms a rim around the nucleus that looks sky blue color. The larger the cell, the more cytoplasm is visible. That is natural killer cells. It destroys the foreign materials. Lymphocytes, other T lymphocytes. This other one. Leukocytes function mediate immune responses including antigen antibody reactions. B cell develop into plasma cell, secrete the antibodies. T cells attack the virus, cancer cells and other microbes, transmitted tissue cells. Natural killer cells attack a wide variety of infectious microbes and certain spontaneous arising tumor cells. So students, that's clear. Any doubt, reference to me. Thank you to all.